Hi. So we are in the digital library और Praveen भी है इधर. So why we are here? We are having a statistics exam tomorrow and
तिरुपति
अरे नहीं
तिरुपति teaching.
नहीं हाँ तिरुपति is teaching us. गुरु है हमारा तो let's go.
Let's start. Okay. I'm teaching binomial. Binomial is what? Don't learn binomial. If one coin is there.
Concrete dreams where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the
और सूर्या भी आ गया. Hi Surya, welcome to the vlog. We are studying. We came to study. Is Anisha here? Only you both. Wow. So we are also studying from the basics. Impressive. You study everything, right? You finished binomial. We are studying binomial right now. Tirupati is teaching us. Say a few words, teacher. Guru. We're all dead, yaar. Seriously, we're all dead. I'm dead. I didn't study. These people know everything. All of them. I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm so dead. Oh dear. So it's currently 7:30 and I guess we're skipping dinner at this point and yeah, it's great. We're still doing.
Audio will be not that clear.
Audio won't be that clear.
You wanna miss me, guys, one day.
Or look.
After
Meet the Tirupati. It's the personality we usually do not get at any place.
split
क्या और देख हमारा नोट्स सब देख यार.
मुंह में घुस जाए.
रिमेम्बर ना पिक का ये
भाई बिल्कुल सबसे अच्छा था.
So our current plan is that we stay here and study until they say to get out.
बात कर रहा है 1 2 3 4 5
I don't know how that's going to work for us.
Negotiation based on the same idea.
It's gotta.
भाई कुछ नहीं है.
We're using every skills we have. That includes AI and PDFs to learn.
पढ़ने में नोट्स में छोड़ता नहीं.
भाई मेरा बुक ठीक है. Stat is pure madness, man. Seriously, I'm saying. Like nothing much to say. Everything is there. They're looking for new questions in ChatGPT. So in between statistics, what are we doing, Praveen Bhaiya?
We are making some memes, business memes.
Business communication, right? Or he's looking for a good picture. He's got an idea, or we'll be submitting it. We need to submit it today. So hope he gets a good picture. I'm helping him do it. Yeah, life. An MBA student at NIT Calicut is is great, I would say, but very busy. Like, the day has so many things. I mean, it just comes into your life, and you never feel you're free. And for instance, for me, I see my room when I get up in the morning, when I go to sleep, and I have no idea what time that is. My sleep cycle is
Just
Yeah.
forget the sleep cycle. When you are doing MBA, so just forget the sleep cycle because we have a lot of things to do that. Assignments, PPTs, we have to create, we have to take interviews, we have to do a lot of things.
Interviews was also there. A lot of interviews to take for different subjects. That's the things. Yeah, I mean, this is the life of an MBA student, and I mean, we are all in it now, and we're gonna do our best, right, bro?
Yeah. But it's fun.
Yeah, definitely. Should be fun. Yeah. So we've settled at Steve Harvey for Praveen.
Yeah.
Steve Harvey is the one we are settling at. This is nice. We'll use this image. So for your information, we're actually not taking the exact meme. He has his own idea, but we're using this image
This image for a reference to
for, yeah, we are allowed to use the picture, not the idea written over here. Yeah, let's do it.
So we can see Mika is working for me for my meme.
I hope Sridhar doesn't see this video.
Yeah, he'll see, but he'll not understand who's meme. So what do you think? How will it look like a normal people?
No, I'll do something about it.
Don't say you have made it. Like it was my idea. He's just typing.
Yeah. That's his idea. I'm just doing the typing work. The editing work, if you mean.
There were some 5 or 6 things were there.
Should I change the logo?
We can see there are a lot of people are here at this time. They are studying. Actually, it's a good vibe. It's a digital library. So we have created this one.
Big. How is
You
this?
can
So I'll explain it
understand.
to you. This is the normal people, how they react. And this is entrepreneurs. See all the thoughts that going through their mind. Should I change the logo? Oh, new idea. Did I reply to that email? And the joke is bye sleep. So basically how an entrepreneur thinks and versus how a normal person thinks.
Yeah, chill, fun.
Yes. So this is the one we created for Praveen, and hopefully he likes it.
Yeah.
So we actually just got out to eat dinner. Yeah, this is so stressful, yaar. Tirupati.
Yeah, it's too stressful.
Or idhar Praveen is making memes.
Today is our meme project also going on.
That is also going on. Look, dekh, that's the library. Or Tirupati, let's go, yaar. Let's go and
Let's go.
find out the.
We have founded one new.
Hey, mat bol. Kisi ko mat bol. This is our secret way. Let's go to the restaurant, have some food. We're not going to the mess, it's too far. Let's go. So we had to change the location because the library closed, and the same group here for the study.
I'm
So
teaching both of them.
so apparently Triple CC, the huge computer lab in NIT Calicut, is open till 12. So that's new info. So
Hi guys, study hard, work hard, and I am in the placement also.
he's deciding our placements. Huh?
I realized one thing. We need some place where we can study, and after study we can hang out. So I need a girl, not boy. So I'm having a bad time with this guy.
So Praveen's learning. I don't know anything. Or do you know anything?
Not that much.
He knows what you wrote. What you wrote.
Full chaos, yeah.
I'm confused, yeah.
क्या पढ़ रहा है?
Confused. He's teaching us. I have no idea.
Praveen, let's
So,
end our vlog.
yeah. So we successfully completed the day. और देख भाई कैसा था भाई studies?
It was good. At least we understand a lot of things. but
Yeah, we
not
understand everything
satisfied
from
with
your facial expression, yeah. Seriously. No, see, I didn't understand much, but Tirupati was there, that's why.
it. Yeah. At least we had a Tirupati and he made us understand a lot of
Yeah.
things.
Seriously.
Now we can say like we can sit in an exam and we'll be pass. At least we'll
Ah,
have
we
that
only
much.
want to pass only.
We'll pass. We don't know about much thing. We'll score that much or not. But the fear we had, like we don't know anything about the statistic. Now we don't have. Seriously,
Yeah.
we can.
Guys, what I am telling you,
At least
we are
know
studying.
more
Now
than
it's
the
12
half of the-
o'clock.
Not half. At least 25.
Now it's 12
30%
o'clock.
otherwise
We are here in this one.
the one who don't know anything.
And we have from 10 to 12 we have studied here only with Mika,
Yeah, and
with Praveen, and done our great job. We don't know about tomorrow, but we have did whatever we can do.
yeah.
We have done our 100%. That's all. That's all.
Or,
Follow us, subscribe us,
Yeah.
and please click on the bell icon. Please.
Please, kar de.
Okay. Bye. See you.
we'll
And
keep
next
you
vlog will be different. Okay. Bye, guys.